Kapag ng service, bumalik sa pwesto. Kasi kung saan yung bakante, doon sila magpapatay ng bola. Hindi mag-service, maglalakad ka lang. O, score lang naman eh. Isa lang, di ba? Nahabol natin isa-isa. Dapat dumiretso na tayo. Huwag natin pabayaan. Mahabol ulit tayo, di ba? Naintindihan ba? Okay, sige. Di ba? Isa lang naman eh. Pasahan lang yan. Pasahan lang yan.
Well, Coach Sammy has been very composed all throughout this match, and why not? His team has been in the lead. They won the first 2 sets.
I think the biggest mistake that his team has committed is that they were too relaxed entering the 3rd set, but now they've probably woken up from that. So let's see.
But I guess as far as Coach Sammy is concerned, if his team didn't come in too relaxed in the 3rd, they might be up by a lot.
Let's see, it's a strong front line here for Signal, though they only have 2 attackers.
You've got a great-sized crowd here inside the Phil Sports Arena. This is the very first match in the Philippine Superliga. Tabaquero now serving. And that is service error number 4 for Petron.
Score tied at 16-all.
The pressure now starting to build, especially for Petron. Their backs are against the wall. On the other side, Aguilar. Quickly, Soriano, no. Aguilar once again going down the line with great success.
Coach Sammy continuing to give instructions to Aguilar.
Tolino now serving for Team Signal.
Tubino with the serve once again. Poor reception. From the back row, Bernal. It stays inside. We're tied at 17.
Score 17.
Some new players coming in. Acevedo and Bello.
Coach Villet going for more attackers in the front row.
They go outside Aguilar. Well, the crowd is definitely in it. Aguilar once again. From the back row. That's going to work here for Signal.
Argarin really utilizing all the players on the floor, literally. Even the back row players.
17. Number 15, Aguilar.
Final attack getting them that point. Bernal set.
It's that down the line area that's really been bugging the defense of Petron.
Score Signal 19, Petron.
Well, if they don't close that gap, that hole,
Serving for Signal.
it's going to be 3 straight sets here for Signal.
Acevedo gets her first point.
Miscommunication that time by De Libero and Bernal.
Score Signal 19, Petron 18.
Soriano serving. Petron down by 1. That's the second mistake she's made on serve already here.
Those are 3 points for Signal. Those errors they can't afford at this crucial part of the 3rd set.
This is now the business end of set number 3. Bernal, blocked.
Score, Signal, 20, Petron, 19.
Watch his block once again. Out of her reach. It's another score here by Hendrauli.
Score, Signal, 21, Petron, 19.
Tatuin serving. Tabaquero will score a point. Well, the team captain has really come up big for her team, but obviously she needs some support.
Can't be just one player alone. Every time we cover, we keep on mentioning that what you need is the whole team, really, all the 6 players on the floor to really move and contribute, be it on defense or on setting or on offense.
They go on the outside, Bernal. Wow! That works for Maizo.
Maizo was just trying to save the ball, but I guess everyone on the side of Signal was just too busy. They weren't able to see that coming.
Score, Tiger, 21 all.
Dimakulangan serving again.
And these errors really, service errors really plaguing Petron here in this match.
Well, by our count, that's 6 already.
22, Petron, 21.
That's a lot. 6 out of the 22 points of Signal. All gifts.
And imagine, they had such a big lead earlier on in the 3rd set.
That goes through.
Score, Tiger, 22.
And we are tied at 22 once again. Who can execute here in the home stretch? Through the middle. Quickly, a timeout will be called here by Coach Villet.
Timeout, Team Petron. Score.
And we'll step back.
23, Petron, 22.
The teams are new. They really need to communicate inside the court.
Combination play was read there by Petron.
This sports special is brought to you by Petron Blaze 100, Euro 4 high-performance gasoline, meets European fuel quality standards.
Hi, this is Ivy from Bingo Millonario, inviting everyone to please come and support, watch Bingo Millonario play in the Superliga only here in Solar Sports.
This is the 3rd set, the first match for the day between Team Petron and Signal.
23-22 is our tally.
Petron, 22.
Signal with the serve, looking to wrap things up in 3 straight sets if they possibly can. Well, that is set point, match point for Signal.
Seems like everything is really going the way of Signal.
Set point, match point. Hendrauli with the serve. Petronstein, stay alive, Maizo.
Oh, Maizo said not just yet.
But right now, Signal in the serve-receive position. Coach Sammy not taking any chances.
Team Signal. Score, Signal, 24. Petron, 23.
Looks like he's gonna come up with a set play that he wants his team to run, which could give them
Pwede kaya mag-running. Basta yung dalawa
this
dito
victory.
maliit naman ah. Kasi si Caballero hindi ko makaabot eh yan. Paltokin mo na lang ha, bola ha. Pero pag pumapalo sila girls, kaya lang may nagko-cover sa atin lagi ha. yan sila ang service, tayo magre-receive. Atake tayo, dapat tapos na yan. Okay?
Could this be it for Signal? Again, going back to what we've been talking all throughout the match, more trivia answers. Who is the first winner
Of the first
of
ever.
the first match of the Philippine Superliga? Set doesn't work. That goes through. And Coach Sammy and Signal have won this one in 3 straight sets.
Well, this is going to be a part of history. First game played here at the Philippine Superliga and first team that has won a game.
And how fitting is it for Argarin to come up with the final point?
Well, Argarin has done a great job in really holding things together here for Signal, really varying the plays, and you know, it's a position that's really difficult to play because not only do you need the skill, but also you need to be a thinking player.
There is our final score. Signal, the victors, 25-22, 25-17, and 25-23. We'll come back to wrap things up right after this.
This sports special is brought to you by Petron Blaze 100, Euro 4 high-performance gasoline, meets European fuel quality standards.